it's me. I'm back. You guys, today I got the Battle of the Blues. You guys know when I come, I'm coming with the food. You guys, I'm doing snacks. All BLuE snacks. We've got tons of things. Gosh, where do we start? How's everybody today? Get your snacks. Get you a snack, I should say, and come out and hang with me. We've got BLuE Cool Ranch Doritos. We've got all kind of goodies. We've got some Zips pretzels. We've got some BLuE mac and cheese. You guys, look at the mac and cheese. It's BLuE. Got us some BLuE macaroni. Let's take a couple bites of that. We all know mac and cheese is a snack. Tastes good. Okay, you guys, I'm so thirsty. I think what we will do is start with a drink. I have this, it's called Poppy. It's a cream soda. Let's try it. It looks delicious. Ooh. If I can get it open. There we go. It's only got 8 carbs in the whole can. Total sugar 5 for one whole can. It's pretty good. And it's good. It's good. If you're looking for something sugar-free and you don't do a lot of sugar, it's good. Poppies. Caffeine-free ingredients you love. Poppy. That's good. I like that. What else do we got, you guys? We've got some salt and vinegar Pringles. Let's try those first. I used to love salt and vinegar growing up. I used to get those little bags of salt and vinegar chips. Delicious. They do not disappoint. My advice to anyone who wants to try out all these snacks, don't eat them all in one setting. You can't eat everything. But give them big tries. What's next? Let's wash that out. We will do vitamin water, blue raspberry, limeade elevated vitamin water. That is actually really good. Super good. Much more sugar than the cream soda, but really, really good. Now, we all know Cool Ranch. Can't go wrong with those, y'all. You just cannot. Mm-hmm. Y'all know I like to do with Doritos. I like to look down in the bag and see if I can find the ones that, like, who else is guilty of this? Which ones have the most sauce on them? That. And then eat it. Mmm. I found one that's really seasoned. Mm-mm. $3. Take a drink of that. Poppy. If this was cold, ooh, it would be everything. Should we try something sweet? Let's try something sweet. Mike and Ike Mega Mix. Let's go. Let's find a blue one in there. Blue. We got blue ones. Oh, they do. If I can get it open. Let's see. Blue. What kind is blue? Oh, wait. So they got Caribbean Punch, which is not, I think I just had. And then they don't got no blue raspberry. They ripped me off. I didn't get blue raspberry. Oh, I do. I do, y'all. I poured them all out to find that blue raspberry. Blue ras. And blue raspberry. Mike and Ike's are good candy. They get stuck in your teeth, though. You eat Mike and Ike's. They be pulling out your teeth for days. Once again, you guys, they go to delicious Mike and Ike's. I don't need something sweet to drink right now because I didn't eat salty. On to the next sweet snack. What we have here. This was my first time ever seeing these. I never knew they existed. They're Jolly Rancher Chewy Poppers. It says candy shell and chewy core, fruity center. See? First time. Let's try these. Ooh. Well, and it's resealable if I can get in it. Open it right. Y'all don't judge me. Oh, I done broke this. Leave it to me to break the seal. And of course, they got blue raspberry. Tastes like a blue Jolly Rancher. Y'all. Let's see what's inside. No one's really inside. I just will. Oh. I got my cookies back, y'all. Try those. They're good. Now, let's get a couple more bites of this macaroni. Maybe one or two. For all my little people watching the videos, do not eat all these snacks at once. You'll have a stomach ache. Your bellies will hurt. So, watch how much of it you eat. Okay, since we took the macaroni, we will try. These are so cute. They're King Mini Fruity Sodas. I just seen them and I'm like, oh my God, that's so super cute. I'm gonna get it. It's blue. Raspberry, of course. Let's give it a swallow. Let's give it a try. Whoa. Well, the first thing I noticed is that this is very sweet. So, a good fruity, sweet, but it's tasty, but it's very sweet. And you can taste that it's sweet. As soon as you take that first sip, it's like, whoa! Knock your top off, sweet. It's sweet, but it's good. If you like sweet stuff, get you one of those little fruities. Fruity pooty tooties. You guys, I'm not looking forward to these. I think I'll save them for last. Hot Takis. Hot Cheetos Takis. We'll save them for last. What else do we got, guys? If you've never seen these, I know everybody's heard of goldfish. I know everybody has some goldfish before. But you guys, they have, look at this. Cupcake goldfish. And from what I heard, they're super duper 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 yummy. Let's check that out on our own. Let's see if they're good. That's what we want to do. Ooh, you can have a lot of these. You know, most things serving size says 3 or 4. They hooking you up with these goldfish, though. Mmm. Mmm. Mm-hmm. 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 They are good. Mmm. They taste like cupcakes. Mmm. Mm-hmm. 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 All right, guys. What was that? What next? We got flips, pretzels, white fudge covered pretzels. I never had these either. First time for everything. Time to try to give it a try. Oh, they're stuck together. Perfect. Oh, really cool. Mmm. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Whoa. They are have just one. One's good. They are also very sweet. Delicious, but very sweet. Maybe too sweet. They're really good. Well, then you get that salty afterwards. So if you're ever craving sweet, salty, that's your thing. You guys, I love cashews. I had to do it. And these are honey roasted. Now these, when you're eating these snacks, it's something you can have a little bit more of than normal. I would try to stay at serving size of everything if I could, or under. But these are a little better for you than a normal snack. They're loaded with protein and some other good stuff, some potassium, some iron. Not much, but better than a chip. Anyhow. Very nice and salty and sweet. That's where you want to be. Those are good. They're really good. You know, it takes forever to chew these suckers. I know everybody's had these M&Ms. Everybody. If you haven't, get you some. Try them. They're just a little tiny. People bake with them. They're also really good. Maybe next time you guys give me some suggestions, I'll do some snacks that I never had before that may not be so good, may or may not be good. And everybody loves Oreos. So many people love it, should I say. Because not everybody loves Oreos. Not everybody likes cashews, and not everybody likes pretzels, and so most people that I've met love Oreos. Should I say people that I've met? Well, make some Oreos. These are cute. They come in a little 4-pack. It's a perfect little snack for your kids or for you. Take them to work. And this is one that you could eat the whole 4-pack. Yep, the serving size is 1 pack. Good. I'm thirsty after that. Last but not least, 0 sugar. It's an energy drink. Monster with no sugar. And they're really good, actually. They have the same amount of everything in it, just less sugar. I don't know if you consider it to be better for you or what, but total sugar, 0. It does have some carbs, but the rest of the vitamins it has, it's pretty good, actually. It's an energy drink. They taste like it. Good, good, good. Good. Now, guys, we are to the end. Oh, I have this icing, and I was gonna put it on some those cookies with a little sprinkles. But you guys know what? That's a lot, enough sweets for me. Maybe next time I'll come and we'll do some sweets. I'll do some sweets. The frosting. I think we have one more snack. Last but not least, the beautiful BLuE Takis. You guys, I think Takis are good, but the flavor, the spice can get to be a lot. So, BLuE Takis. One blue stocking. Try this with mac and cheese. Ooh. You want a bite? Here's your bite. Talkie and mac and cheese bite. Mmm. That was good. You guys, I had so much fun coming here with you guys doing the Battle of the BLuEs. These are all very good snacks. Most of them I would 10 out of 10 recommend. Thanks for coming by, sticking around and doing this video with me. Until next time, you guys don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Should I say share me? There's plenty of me to go around. Don't forget to subscribe. We're on that road to 500. Like the video. Thumbs it up. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.